Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is Rice Sooji Payasam. We call it Akki Tari Payasa. Here I'm using raw rice sooji for this. Let's begin the recipe. I'm going to pour in the rice sooji. I'm going to add in little amount of ghee. I'm going to pour in coconut milk. Mixing it well and allow it to cook. Keep adding the coconut milk in between. Now this is cooked well. I'm going to add in the sugar. Now is the time to add the elaichi powder. This is the time you can even add Kheer strands. I can turn it off and this is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe.